everyone, this is part 2 of decorating this newly renovated kitchen and dining room for the holidays. In part 1, we put up about 70 feet in total of Norfolk retouch garland. We added some gorgeous cowbells, unboxed and put up this 9-foot Christmas tree and 4 of those viral trees from Walmart. Then we made our own oversized wreath to put on the vent hood and added an aged look to bells I also got at Walmart. Today we're adding in lots of Christmas ornaments and home decor to complete the spaces.
No, I'm gonna sit there. Come on. Okay, bye-bye. All right. Okay. If you know me, you will notice how awkward I was. I'm not used to living with animals, so I really don't know how to interact with them. But he's cute. Or she, I don't know. Anyway, today is day 3 of decorating. I was able to grab the rest of the stems that I needed here for the chandelier, so I put those on. So the chandelier has all the greenery. Today, I'm going to start adding decorations to the greenery, in particular the garland, the fixture, and the tree. So let me show you what I picked up. Hobby Lobby Christmas decor right now is 50% off everything. So these were $1.99, so essentially they were $1. So this one is gold with a little bit of a shimmer, and this one is like a dark red. And then I got these, which I'm really excited about. I love using glass and clear glass at Christmas time. They shimmer and they just reflect some of the light that's around and really adds like a special touch. These were $3.99, so with the discount these were $2 each. I also got a ton of ribbon, all on Amazon. This particular ribbon, I've been recommending it to everyone. It's great quality. These are 25 yards, which is really long. A yard is 3 feet, so imagine that's what, 75 feet, which is a lot of ribbon, and the width of the ribbon is 7/8. Then I got these, which are all 3/8 ribbon, the same gold color in this size, and then I also got these 2 green colors. One is called khaki and one I think is called olive green, and these are also 25 yards. Then I'm going to try to incorporate the DIY bells that I made. I just shared that with you guys. I'm going to try to put all of these in, the little triangle one and the round one. These are the very popular Hobby Lobby flocked balls. These have been sold out for quite a while. I was able to snag a couple boxes of each color because I was shopping pretty early into the season for this project. So I got the ivory color, and this is the smaller size of the balls. These are the bigger sizes, so I got the chocolate brown and the sort of a lighter brown color. I also picked up a bunch of these, and I picked this up months ago, so way early into the season I picked these up. I wasn't sure how or where I was going to use them, but I like the size of these. $3.99, and Hobby Lobby has been 50% off, I would say, from the very beginning. So these are $2 with $2 a piece, and I did pick up an entire bag of those. Let's get started.
For these small DIY bells, I decided on adding different lengths of that smaller ribbon to each one, and the same for these clusters. I'm splitting them up into individual ones and adding it to the chandelier. In part 1, I shared how I made this DIY wreath. I'm tying 2 of those stems with a zip tie to the back of the chairs, and also adding some of that 7/8 ribbon I used on the garlands. Let's decorate the tree. I'm going to get started here by unboxing these ornaments from Balsam Hill. This is the burnished metal set. It's 35 pieces and has different shapes and textures, all earthy tones with hints of gold. This adds that touch of vintage, which, as you all know, is very much my style. If you struggle with how to decorate your tree, getting a set like this makes it so easy. I will put links in the description below if you're interested. This isn't sponsored. They are just too good not to share. A bit spendy, but really high quality ornaments, handcrafted from 100% glass. I like getting started by putting them in the gaps and spaces first and then going diagonally from there. Something I like doing on the tree is creating little moments, like clusters of ornaments that tell a story. Here's one with the birds in their nest with some small ornaments, and these two squirrels looking like they're trying to get the acorns. These are all from the Grand Forest ornament set I shared earlier. And check out these miniature vintage mirrors I found at Hobby Lobby. I thought they were so cute. I'm just going to attach some ribbon to the back and create another little moment with these. It's the final day. I am ready to finish decorating this space and show you guys how this all came together. We have been shopping quite a bit for Christmas decor, and we've also been pulling out items that she accumulated during the year or had in previous years. We pulled out things that we think we would use with decorating. You never know what you're going to end up using, but it's always good to have lots of choices. These 36-inch wreaths I got at Hobby Lobby. This size wreath is quite difficult to find at a good price. This was actually $85, less 50%, so a very good price for this size wreath. It does have some pine cones and berries on there. It's really, really beautiful. So I got 3 of these. I'm gonna use one here and the other 2 over the doors at the side of the Christmas tree.
The fire crackling gently all the while. Snow is falling down. Guess everything's just right. But I'll be wishing you were here with me. Everywhere I go is Christmas. Our town filled with wonder and delight. The season to rejoice brings everybody close. But I'll be missing you right next to me. Feels kinda lonely when you're a million miles away. But maybe there's a star to lead the way. 'Cause I wanna hold you when Santa's coming around, and kiss you right beneath that mistletoe. Some goodwill to this man, since now I got my wishes down to one. Oh, so check out my list, 'cause I've already